Kia ora, New Zealand. Managing a medical practice in New Zealand has never been more demanding. From admin overload and fragmented systems to the growing need for telehealth and strict compliance regulations, the challenges can feel overwhelming. Enter GoodX, the all-in-one web-based solution designed to revolutionize your practice. With GoodX, you can streamline operations, reduce costs, and go paperless, all without compromising quality. GoodX brings everything together in a sleek, easy-to-use dashboard. From patient bookings to billing, it's all in one place. And with cutting-edge features like telehealth, AI-powered note generation, and automated billing, you'll save time, reduce admin frustrations, and focus on what really matters: your patients. All patient data is stored securely on ISO 27001 certified servers, delivering the highest level of security and giving you peace of mind. Your patients will love the MyGC Patient Portal, where they can book appointments, fill in medical documents, and pay bills effortlessly. Automated reminders keep schedules running smoothly, cutting no-shows and saving your team valuable time. Compliance simplified. GoodX helps you meet ACC and Ministry of Health standards with real-time tracking, automated reporting, and secure HL7 communication protocols. Need help? We've got you covered. Our dedicated 24-hour support team is always ready to provide guidance whenever you need it. Visit goodx.co.nz today to join the growing number of New Zealand practices transforming their operations and discover the powerful paperless future of medical practice management.